This Alliance Delta is perfect for any couple that wants to travel full time. Let's go check out the interior of this 294 RK. I'm inside. Welcome. You are greeted with this open space, which I absolutely love. Now you do have couches that are going to be on this wall, and I believe this actually turns into a bed.
Well, that's nice if you have guests over or kids.
Yeah, or grandkids. Now it's gonna just never done this before. So, oh, look how easy that was. You gotta put your legs down though. And
she's a pro.
You just pop this down, bam, and you got a bed. Now the cool thing about this is that you have bed here in the living room that you can just make in 2 seconds. Your friends and family can come over, maybe your kids, grandkids are coming over to see you in really amazing places that you're traveling to. And this makes life so much easier. You don't have to get a hotel for them, you just tell them to stay with you. And look how easy that was. 2 seconds, and it is done. Now you do have storage above here, window with valances, blackout shades. Ooh, these are actually cloth and they're actually not the plasticky feeling. They are more bougie.
Alliance is going above and beyond.
Nice large couch here. These are gonna be recliners and with a click of a button.
Oh, that turned on the lights.
Oh, I turned on the lights. Look at that. You can turn on the lights with the click of a button, and you can also recline here. Cup holders on either side and charging ports. Gotta have those charging ports. Window, nice and large window. Cubbies here for extra things you might want to stash up in there.
That's a nice little cubby there too.
And the kitchen. I love that this is so open and you can have the conversations flowing. You have a fridge here. It's nice and large. Look at that. Beautiful. And a freezer. It's not a residential sized fridge, but it's enough space to fit everything you need. Pantry.
You don't need residential in a travel trailer like this too.
Yeah, I mean, this is a pretty large travel trailer too.
Very large.
But look at that. It's lit up for you when you need to reach over for some
Cheerios.
food. Lots of counter space. I'm like engulfed in the counter space.
It's got a nice design too.
I love the color. Look at that. Like, this is beautiful. You have a fan here with a light, 3-burner stove top, and a little oven. It's not a full-size oven, but it's enough to make a pizza or those muffins that you really love.
And just get a couple of frozen pizzas. That's all I'm about.
Pots and pans can go in here, and check this out. We're gonna open up both sides. Wow, these are, I did not expect to be
for extra long
Look at that.
spatulas.
They just go on. I mean, you
Jeez.
can store all of your utensils.
3-foot long utensil. That's perfect.
And we have nice lit floors here with that cool vibe. Oh my gosh, look at that, more. And we have some more over here. And these actually go through here. So they're all like pass through, I guess, storage that you could just...
Oh, that's really cool.
Not cool. Sink, windows here on either side, as well as your shades here, if I could get them. And then just, I love the space.
Well, they have the same design that's here is up on the wall too.
Yep, it goes and kind of has like that waterfall. Maybe not a waterfall.
Well, it's almost like marble.
Inverted waterfall.
Inverted waterfall?
Yeah, it's the opposite way.
Yeah.
The waterfall would be like down here, and this would be like, I don't know. Anyways, we have a trash can over here.
I do love trash cans.
And I'm obsessed with the colors. You'll see outlets here throughout here, and then bar stools.
That's nice if you want to work. Just plug into the outlet right there, get your laptop going.
You can
do remote work.
Yeah, you can work here, you can eat here, and I'm obsessed. I'm literally obsessed with this kitchen. Another window here. Like, they did not skimp out on the windows. They're like, where can we find places to put the windows? And so they did it. Large TV in this slide. And oh my gosh, are you kidding me?
More storage.
You can put all your DVDs in there.
I love DVDs.
Fireplace, and this will heat up your RV as well. This is beautiful. This whole entire thing is so hooks. When you come in, come on to the back. Oh, you do have your controls here for your awnings and your slides.
That's the old school.
Buttons.
None of that modern technology. I want buttons to press.
Oh, look at this beautiful door. I'm obsessed with the wood. We have a shower. We have a skylight, which gives you another few inches of headspace. Shower and a little curtain here that goes in and out. Hooks here for your towels, and of course, lots of leg space. You know, I love leg space. Open cubbies here, and in your medicine cabinet, you also have space to put more things, okay? This is beautiful. Brushes can go here, your soap, your outlet, and look at that space for your vanity. A lot of the RVs don't have that kind of space, so this is beautiful. Not only do you have all this room for your skincare, your makeup, your bathroom things, but
I have lots of lotions.
yeah, lots of lotions too. The bedroom here is going to be a queen size bed, nice cushiony headboard. These lights are also going to be really nice for when you need to read a book.
If you want a disco party, you just click it real fast. There you go.
I mean, it's going to be a white and blue light, yeah. Mark, can you help me with these?
Man,
Open those up.
I'm not getting paid to work like this.
We have a his and her closet, and you'll see there's going to be a rod in that closet as well, and as well as this one. Now, we do have these epoxy tops that also pop up, and you can store your jewelry in here, a drawer. We also have some charging ports there, and additional space for more things.
A plant.
Window, TV, connections, closet space with a rod and an outlet in there. A couple of drawers here. These are fantastic. Underneath the bed, more storage. Look at that. This is really cool. You don't have to bend over too deep. You just have some of your things here for accessibility.
Easy accessibility, of course.
I don't know about that. And I love the lights here above the bed. It just creates a more vibey tone to it. Again, with the closet, you can remove this if you need to. Same thing on this side, reinforced drawers here. And if you need privacy, you just close this.
It's on the outside. It's on the outside. She's
on the
missing it.
outside.
She's missing it. There she is. There.
For privacy.
There we go.
All right.
We found her.
All right. Now, this is a really cool unit. I'm loving the color scheme, the lighting, and everything. So before we go outside, we're going to check out specs. Those are going to give you a little bit more of an idea of what you're looking at. So the length of this bad boy is going to be 33 feet and 11 inches. The height is 11 feet and 3 inches. Your dry weight, 7,316 pounds. Gross weight is at 9,250 pounds. And then your hitch weight, which is going to be in the back, 841 pounds. Your freshwater tank is at 45 gallons. Gray is at 90 gallons. And black is at 45 gallons. Now you do have 2 ACs in here and 200 watts of solar on top. So let's go check out the exterior. When we come outside, you are greeted with 2 large awnings. Now this is gonna be your 12-foot awning. That one's gonna be your 14-foot awning. This is great because this actually goes throughout the whole entire RV. And that way you can have your lunch out here, dinner out here in the rain, and not worry about like missing the few spots. So it's all covered.
Which is nice.
Yeah. Windows here, and then you have your LED lights on both awnings.
The LED lights look super cool, by the way.
Yeah, they are doing everything right with the lights, because even here we have a TV and it's backlit.
You also have all the storage behind.
Yes,
so,
all the storage behind this TV.
yeah, so if you want to hide any snacks, there you go.
Yeah, this is great. So have a couple of chairs out here, friends, watching a game. This is cool. All right, this is your slide number 1 on this side. And of course, how can you have this RV and not have an amazing grill right out here? This is really, really convenient. Ladder to access your solar and the roof. And then of course your hitch.
If you guys look at this hitch, you can pretty much do a bike, maybe an e-bike, up to 300 pounds. No cars, no extra stuff, but it's good enough for e-bikes.
Yeah, for toys. Electrical goes here, and then your connections, and then your slide on this side.
It's very minimalist design, not a whole lot of swirls, which is
No,
nice.
it's just clean lines. I like that.
Some RVs over swirl it, so this is nice.
You have a pass-through storage here, which is fantastic for larger items that you can just have access to both sides. And then your water connections here and your battery disconnect. And
this
is
is
gonna
cool.
be, yeah.
Look at this.
Oh, this?
You don't need to
yes.
crank anything.
No,
Just
no
press a
cranking
button.
anything. You just press buttons and that is it. It makes life so much easier.
I'm too old to crank.
And you have your propane tanks under here. And of course your Alliance Delta front And we're back at the pass-through storage right over
Ooh,
here.
what's this thing?
This is gonna be your table that comes with, it's a 6-foot long folding table, and that way you can have it right out here. So convenient. You don't have to rummage through things. It is very conveniently placed over here. And of course, your switches for your awnings are right outside as well. They have them inside and they have them outside. And that's what Alliance is all about. It makes your life so much more convenient. The coolest part of all is that if you buy this through Blue Compass, you get these amazing perks. Buying any RV from Blue Compass gets you the RV Complete VIP membership, which includes unlimited towing, windshield repair, and your very own RV tech, as well as other amazing benefits, and exclusive Loves discounts. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoy this unit as much as I did, and I'll see you guys in the next one.